Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about our topic for today, talking about future plans. Episode 38 today.
Yes, episode 38. Wow, time flies.
It really does. Okay, friends, today we will talk about future plans. Simple words, simple ideas, and many small stories, so you can learn English and also feel good.
I love this topic. It is about hope and choices and dreams and sometimes fear.
Yes, future plans can be small or big, like I will clean my room tomorrow, or I will move to another country next year. Both are future plans.
Let's start slow. What is a future plan? In simple words, a plan is a thought about what you want to do next. A future plan is what you want to do later, not now, later, tomorrow, next week, next year, or in 5 years.
Now, I want to ask you a question, Zach. Do you like to make detailed plans, or do you like to plan a little and be flexible?
I like both, but I am more of a simple planner. I write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, next month I will learn to cook 1 new meal. Then I try. If it works, great. If not, I try again. It feels calm.
That's nice. I'm a little different. I like to write many things. I make steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. For big plans, I write a timeline. But for small things, I keep it simple, like you.
Friends, both ways are okay. The important thing is to start. Even a small plan is good. A small step moves you forward.
Let me share a short story. When I was 22, I wanted to travel alone. I had no money and I was scared. My plan was small: save $5 each week. After 6 months, I had enough for a train ticket to a nearby city. I went. I met new people. I learned to be brave. That small plan made me confident.
I like that story. I have one too. When I graduated, I wanted a job in a city far from my town. It felt impossible. My plan was simple: send 3 resumes each week. Practice 1 interview question each day. After 3 months, I got a job. Small daily actions helped.
These stories show us 2 things. 1, plans can be simple. 2, small steps matter a lot.
Now, let's talk about common words we use when we speak about future plans. Very useful.
Yes, first word, will. We use will for a simple future. Example, I will study tonight. Easy.
Second, going to. We use going to for plans that are decided. Example, I am going to visit my friend on Sunday. Means the plan is already made.
Third, plan to or plan on. Example, I plan to save money, or I plan on studying more. Both are okay.
Fourth, want to or would like to. These are wishes or desires. Example, I want to travel. I would like to learn guitar.
Fifth, hope to. This shows hope, but not a firm plan. Example, I hope to get a promotion. It sounds softer.
We can mix these words. For example, I am going to study tonight and I hope to finish my homework by 10 p.m. Simple and clear.
Now, let's practice with questions. I will ask and Zach will answer slowly. Zach, what are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend, I am going to visit my sister. We will cook dinner together. We plan to watch a movie and maybe take a short walk in the park. That is my plan.
Very nice. Now, Zach, where do you want to travel next?
I want to travel to the mountains. I would like to see snow. Maybe next winter. I hope I can save enough money.
Great. Now, friends, try to answer in the comments. Write 1 sentence about your future plan. Use will or going to. Practice makes you better.
Yes, and before we go deeper into tips, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Thank you, Zach. We appreciate your support. It really helps our channel grow.
Okay, back to tips. How to make good future plans. I have 5 simple tips, short and easy.
Tip 1. Be clear. Write your plan in one sentence. For example, I will learn 10 new English words each week. Clear plans are easy to follow.
Tip 2. Be realistic. Do not make a plan that is impossible. Small and real plans are better. Small success builds confidence.
Tip 3. Make small steps. Break big plans into tiny parts. If you want to move to another country, first step, research visa rules. Second step, save money. Small steps feel less scary.
Tip 4. Set a simple deadline. For example, I will read 1 book in 2 months. A date helps you stay focused.
Tip 5. Share your plan with a friend. When you tell someone, you feel more responsible. Your friend can support you.
Now, let's talk about emotions. Making plans can feel exciting, but also scary. That is normal.
Yes, sometimes we feel fear. We worry about failure, or we worry about making the wrong choice. It's okay to feel this. Many people feel the same.
When I felt fear about moving to the city, I talked with my mom. Her voice was calm. She said, try it for 6 months. If it is not right, you can come back. That simple idea made me feel safe.
My friend Sarah once planned to start a small bakery. She was scared of failing. We sat with her and we made a small plan. We helped her make a list of ingredients, dates for baking practice, and a small budget. She started slowly. Now her bakery is small but growing. Her smile shows the joy of trying.
These stories show that support helps. Friends and family can make a big difference.
Next, let's give practical phrases to use when you talk about your future plans with others. These phrases are helpful in daily talk and in interviews.
Phrase 1. I plan to, verb. Example, I plan to learn English. Clear.
Phrase 2. I'm planning on, noun or verb ing. Example, I'm planning on starting a course. Polite and natural.
Phrase 3. My goal is to, verb. Example, my goal is to pass the exam. Strong and clear.
Phrase 4. I hope to, verb. Example, I hope to travel next year. Soft and hopeful.
Phrase 5. I would like to, verb. Example, I would like to work in marketing. Polite and gentle.
Now, practice time. I'll say a phrase and you repeat. I plan to study English for 30 minutes each day.
Good. Friends, repeat after us. Speak slowly and clearly. This helps your pronunciation.
Okay, small role play. Imagine you are talking with your boss. You want more responsibility next year. Zac will be the worker, I'll be the boss. Zac, where do you see yourself next year?
I would like to lead a small team. I plan to improve my skills in project management. I hope to take a course and practice with my current tasks.
That sounds good. Show your boss a plan. Simple steps, practice, and study. This is a strong answer.
Friends, role plays help you feel ready. Try them with a friend. Now, a small problem many learners face: changing plans. Life changes. Sometimes your plan must change. This is okay.
Yes, change can be good. For example, I planned to go to a big city for work, but then I found a job close to home. I changed my plan. I was a little sad, but also happy to be near family. The important thing, be open to change.
And when you change a plan, learn from the experience. Ask what worked, what did not. Keep a note. Small lessons help in future plans.
Now, let's end with simple, real-life examples of future plans. These are short and easy. Example 1. I will wake up early tomorrow and go for a walk.
Example 2. I am going to join a cooking class next month.
Example 3. I plan to save $50 each month.
Example 4. I want to learn 1 song on the guitar this year.
Example 5. I hope to meet new people and make friends.
Friends, pick one and try it this week. Small action, big difference over time.
Before we finish, a little challenge. Write 1 sentence about your future plan in the comments. Use will or going to or plan to. We'll read them and give feedback.
Yes, we love reading your sentences. And remember, it's okay to make a small plan. Small steps lead to big changes.
Thank you for listening to episode 38. We're glad you spent time with us today. We hope you feel ready to make a plan.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Thank you.
Final thought. Life is a path. We take one step at a time. Plans are our small steps. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Keep going.
Goodbye for now. Good luck with your plans. We'll see you in the next episode. Stay curious, stay brave.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.